back to the channel. Today's going to be a hairdressing vlog, travel vlog. I'm going to be in a salon tomorrow teaching Nancy Darcy, and we're going to be working on hair cutting with Alpha Italia and Alan Howard. So I'll be working with concurrent cutting, that's one of my courses. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you here first, start the vlog, and then we'll get to the hotel. So I'm going to head to the hotel now. I'm just, I think, about 4 minutes down the road. And I just want, yeah, I was driving past the sea and I thought, well, seeing as it's here, look at it, it's just absolutely stunning. And there's all surfers, there's people actually in the sea swimming, and there was some jet skis, there was some surfers earlier, but yeah, there's like a big like manor school. But Nancy Darcy is just through this little town here. You just drive around that corner and the salon's there. But I couldn't not come to the sea. Last time I was in a seaside in the UK was years and years ago, so it's just nice to be here, nice and fresh, windy, but it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to the car now, and then get to the hotel, get unpacked, and I'll tell you everything that I'm gonna be doing over the next day. Got a bit of a sea view. So I just checked into my hotel, Park Hotel, and I'm literally sitting here looking at the sea. It's lovely. A little basic, here's my room. The ironing board obsession. As soon as I get to a hotel, I have to make sure I've got an ironing board because I hate creased clothes. And I was, where was I? I was at a hotel and they didn't have any irons or ironing boards, and I was just like, what the? Where was that? That was quite recent actually. So every time Joyco, anybody books me a room, they're like, make sure there's an iron. Because even though like, I iron all my stuff before I get here, when you pack it in a case, it's always creased. But yeah, I'm literally looking at the sea. There we go. So I'm going to take a little walk along the high street of where we are. I think this is Redcar, I can't remember. I mean, someone just checked in, so I've got a meeting in Redcar, that's why I'm here. Strange. But yeah, that's why we're all here, isn't it? We're not staying. But yeah, nice clean hotel. Not bad at all, to be honest. I'm just happy there's an iron. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll just vlog a bit. I mean, there's the sea over there as well. Here, this is where I was at the beginning of the video, over there. And then there's boats all down there. Don't know if you can see them. Yeah, there they are. So yeah, I'm roasting actually. I'm on the top floor. Shame it's not penthouse. There's a couple of suites actually here that look right out onto the sea. I put my camera on the desk, but it didn't work this time, so I didn't really care. She didn't care that I'd do YouTube, but I didn't say, to be honest. There's an hour's wait in the bar for food, and it closes in an hour. She said just make sure your food's in by then, but you're not going to get it gone an hour anyway. So I'm going to take a little walk down the high street. I'm going to take my camera with me, so I'll show you all about where we are. And yeah, and then with like tomorrow I might do 2 videos. This might be just a little vlog. Vlogs don't do very well, so whenever I put a vlog up, people unsubscribe. So if you're watching this, please don't unsubscribe. This is just a little thing that I do. Would it be better if I started a vlog channel? Let me know in the comments below, because I will. But yeah, let's get out onto the high street. What's the time? The time's 7:20. So, and we're not starting till 10 o'clock tomorrow. And the salon is literally, like, where's my finger? Salon is literally over here. So I haven't got far to go at all. It starts at 10. I could literally get in my car. My car's literally just down here as well. I could get down here and then it's like 6 minutes. Closest I've been to a salon where I'm teaching. It's just so nice being at the seaside. Seaside. I've been here for ages, so let's go get some food because I'm hungry. All I've had today is breakfast. Breakfast! Yeah, let's go. I'm just going to nip out for something to eat, get back to the hotel, get prepped and everything for tomorrow. I've got 4 mannequins that I want to show the guys, but I just thought I'd come out for an evening stroll because I've been to the beach for so long and just take it all in, to be honest. But yeah, this is a travel vlog for hairdressing when I'm going on my travels. I'll be doing loads this year. I'm going Italy, I've got Holland, I'm here in Middlesbrough, and I'm sure there's going to be many more. So yeah, make sure if you are interested in like the travel lifestyle of a hairdresser, make sure you click the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below of where you go as a hairdressing educator, as a hairdresser, where do you work, or where's your next travel? I'd love to know. So I think these directly behind me are crabbing nets, and one thing I remember as a kid, we would just go crabbing in Poole. Down by the harbour, we would use a little line with some bait on it, and we would crab. But I think these here, are like mega full-on crabbing gear. So this just takes me back to when I was a kid, to be honest. I haven't been to the seaside of the UK for so long. But yeah, really looking forward to being out and about again after all the lockdowns, so I can't wait to get to the salon. So yeah, if you want to see more of these travel vlogs where I take you on my travels with hairdressing, like I was saying, I'm going to be in Italy, I'm going to be in Holland again, I'm going to be all over the UK. So if this is something you want to see, or would you prefer me to do a vlogging channel where you just follow the lifestyle of a hairdresser, I suppose. But it's just something I really feel people want to know, to be honest. As a hairdresser, they think where you go travelling, as a hairdresser it's all glam, it's fun, and it can be glam, but there's a lot of hard work to it. But then when you come away to places like this at the seaside, and then I'm going to go Italy and everything, it's just going to be another level, so I'm really looking forward to that. Nancy Darcy, Joico Salon, and they're literally based just up the road from my hotel, so I'm going to, no time in the morning. Hotel comes with breakfast as well, so looking forward to that. But it's just so nice to be out again after all the coronavirus and everything like that. Stopped everything from happening, because with all the travel, as you know, everything got shut down. So I'm talking obvious here, but hairdressers were closed for 8 months, and we couldn't do hair, we couldn't do anything. So that's why I started this YouTube channel of education. Did start off with vlogs though, and I was just trying to bring a little bit of a difference to it, but then thinking about it, everybody vlogs. So I thought I would just incorporate it into my hairdressing education as well. So tomorrow I'll be filming in the salon with the guys, just to let you see what they get up to, how they do it. I've got 2 really cool haircuts that they're going to do. I don't know if we're going to get through both of them. I will try, but it's just really nice just to come out here, get some sea air. So nice. But just looking forward to getting to the salon, doing some hair education. And also, I've just got to talk about this. My How to Cut It in the Hairdressing Industry podcast has gone live today. I'll put the link in the description below. Dom Lehane is the guy behind How to Cut It, and he asked me if we'd interview, and we spoke a lot about it all. So yeah, this is something that was on the list for him to talk about when it came to me as a hairdresser. It's the whole digital aspect, and he wanted to delve really deep into it. And one of the things that why I want to bring vlogs a bit more is because I'm doing the Casey Neistat filmmaking course, and I'm just learning so much about the way he does it all. So yeah, this is why I'm bringing you a vlog. But I'm going to grab some food. I don't know where. There's a Thai place up there. I fancy some noodles and some chicken, so I'll go there, and I'll see you in a bit. Well, on to the salon. Nancy Darcy, I'm coming. Good morning everybody. So I'm just on my way to Nancy Darcy's hairdressing, and I just had to stop off here because the view is ridiculous. Let me just spin you around.
Can you just start that again?
What, the film?
I was just going to ask you if you wanted a coffee.
I'm okay, thank you.
Oh.
Why is this one so? Oh my god. Creative. with the lights on.
So with the more grungy one, you can turn this into grungy with this sectioning pattern. It's just a case of going shorter.
Yeah.
So if you want to go shorter with it, to make it grungier and heavier, you can. It just means when we come to doing the shorter one, sectioning that out. We're going to have a short finish. So we're going to
go well, I thought it was about where?
Occipital bone, yeah. So you could probably go down a little bit further. Right. Yeah, probably about there. So then that'll give you more of like a diagonal line.
Has anybody got one?
See, I had my sections in and then I took them out. But this is what I do, you see.
Yeah. But this is the first time that we're doing this. It's so good. Lost in the party? It doesn't matter. This hair just wants to sit so that if you look, it's still got a bit of a parting.
Yeah.
But you don't need it. Just scrunch it up. Yeah, lovely.
So mine's just narrower, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
I've took more.
But then if you have some really thick hair,
Just great effect. Yeah.
like that's what you'd be doing. And then if you wanted it, this would be a chance now, just to refine these ends if you wanted to take it a bit shorter. But that's a WOLFCUT. Like, you've got all that weight and heaviness. You've got that taper as if it's the one's made. Everyone has. Well done.
I actually think colour would create that. Because you want colour, like your style probably is
How'd you find it?
Well, I feel like we should do what you know what to do on Bake Off now, like get them all lined up.
Yeah, get us.
That's it.